What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm Murna. You're watching in Fine Study. It's good to see your smiling faces again. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 photography apps that you can use for upgrading your photography to the next level. So yeah, there are simple 5 apps. So the first 3 will be photo editing apps, and the next one will be where you can see other photographers' progress, you can see what they're creating, and you can do it in your level also. And the third category will be where you can sell your photos. Yeah, you can sell your photos for getting some money, and it will be in dollars, so you need to really work hard for that. So it's no matter what you are a beginner, pro, or intermediate, you can sell all of your photos into that application. So without any further, let's get into the video. Before that, let's roll the intro. So guys, let's start with one of the best applications that I've used until now. That is none other than SNAPSEED. SNAPSEED is one of the best applications that you can use for your photography. Like if I did a photography, I suppose like this, so just select this and then just choose whatever you like, and that's all. You can edit it like a pro if you just know a basics about the photography. It's awesome for beginners, intermediates, and pro. And let's move on to the next, that is Shapical. Shapical is also a very beautiful application, but to use the most of it, you need to get the pro one. I have the pro one. That is a very good one because you can upgrade it with another shapes. It is most ideal for making thumbnails. It makes beautiful thumbnails. You just crop it in the paint tool in your computer and just post it there. So the next application that I'm going to talk about is none other than Lightroom. Yeah, I know many of you will ask, like, you are not a supporter of Adobe, but yeah, I don't support Adobe, but I like the Adobe Lightroom in phone, and I also use the Adobe Lightroom in my PC because none other best than Adobe Lightroom and Adobe Photoshop. So I just love the Adobe Photoshop, but the problem is in this also you need to purchase the pro of the Adobe Lightroom, and that is too costly. I cannot get that. So this was the 3 photo editing apps that you can use. Let's move on to the first app where you can see what other photographers are doing. That is the 500px. Here is all of the photographers' place where they post all of their images, all what they do without any confusion. You can find what you are doing, what your thing is, and I just love this application. You know, it's awesome. So let's talk about the 5th application, that is Shapewire, I think. Yeah, it's Shapewire. So the Shapewire is also a beautiful application. I haven't logged into this phone because I do not require Shapewire in both of the phones. It's a bit confusing between Shapewire and Shapical. Yeah, that is a bit confusing, but you can sell your photos at whatever rates you want. You can challenge other photographers, and that's beautiful. So this was for today. If you guys liked it, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the bell icon if you want to get notified about all of my videos, and comment down below which application you use for your photo editing, or do you sell any photos. So it's good for you that you have seen the video until this point. Without any further, bye bye for now, and I will see you guys in another video.